welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to be working on the Corsa. It's been parked outside the front door for about 18 months since I changed the engine. You've seen in previous videos where it was. Now I finally managed to get it in the garage. It swapped places with Project Bimmer. The first thing I need to do is reinstate the battery, which is down here. It's been on charge, so I think I'll get that fitted first. Right, so the battery lives in here under the scuttle, and as if you can see, this is the first time out for my work light, first time using it in anger. I'll put a link to that. I think I got it on Amazon, but I can put a link in the description. Right, without any further ado, I'll get this battery in and probably whisk through the rest of this bit. So that's the battery reinstated. I think a bit of white grease up terminals, that should stop any corrosion. And we'll just see if there's power to it. Okay, I'm showing 12.69 volts on the voltmeter. Yep, neutral and brake off. Let's have a look. Turns over and it don't start, which is not really a surprise. Now I remember seeing on Chris Fix's YouTube videos you need 5 things for a car engine to run: air, fuel, spark, compression and timing. So I think I should start with the simple one first, which is the air. So we'll just get this air box off, just make sure there's no blockages coming into the throttle body. I'll put you guys down and we'll take it off. So we'll just disconnect stuff here. So I can safely say that air is not the problem. But I'll just take this last screw out, just make sure there's no blockages in here anyway, just to cover everything. And when I don't demolish the light, final screw to get out. So it's all clean inside, no restrictions there. Yep. And there's no just to be absolutely certain, just unplug the mat. No, what? plug them off. I'll try to get this hose off. I don't think there's any restrictions there, so I can eliminate air as a problem. So I'll just get all this button back up. Alright, next thing I'm going to be chasing after is spark. So I'll get the coil pack and the plugs out. We'll try to spin it over and see if there's any spark at the plugs. Okay, I've got the plugs out and put into the coil pack. I'll try to turn it over, see if we get any sparks. Just have to kill the garage lights. Should be able to see if it's sparking. We can't see anything. Well, we're definitely getting a spark. I just put the garage lights back on. Now I could see sparks there, but I don't know if that'd be strong enough. If it's a strong enough spark, I could definitely see them. Anyway, but we've got a spark, so we should be getting something. So we can eliminate air and spark, so that leaves fuel compression and timing. Well, with the plugs out, I can do a compression test. So we'll get this screwed in. We'll start off with number 1, which is the one nearest the timing chain. So let's get that screwed in. I'll just show you the first one. So right, that's in. Just fitting the compression tester. And then what we do is we turn it over a few times on the starter motor with the throttle wide open, and we'll see what sort of reading we get. So, throttle wide open, and turn it over on the starter motor. That should do it. I'm not sure if it's all in. Yeah, that's all in. It seems to get quite a low reading there, so I'll just try that one again. With throttle wide open. Throttle wide open. And the reading on number 1 I'm getting 90, which is a bit low. So I'll just see how others compare. They should be within 10% of each other, but I think they might be a bit on the low side. Anyway, I'll do other 3 and see what we get. Okay, well I've done the compression test. Now I did number 1 again, and highest reading I got 120. Now the other 3 were sort of around the 200ish mark, so I'm not sure what that's about. But I think we might just have a duff engine, or at least a duff head. So the only thing left is a fuel and timing. Now I'm sure I could smell fuel when I did the first compression test on number 1 cylinder, so I'm not inclined to think it's fuel. So the only thing left is timing. But we're not going to assume that fuel's okay. We need to be certain of that before we go any further. I think I'll leave it at that for tonight, and we'll continue another time. I need to get this Corsa out, guys, because I've got some work to do on Project Bimmer. It's going to have a service, and we'll have a go at changing those rear wheel bearings because they make a god awful noise when they're running. So we'll leave it for now. I'm not sure whether I'll wrap it up. Just see how much footage we've got. I might end the video there. In fact, I'll end it there for tonight. So please remember to like and subscribe. You know how to put the comments down below. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.